Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can scrape Amazon using Scraping Dog. So I have divided this tutorial into two parts. So in the first section, I will show you how you can scrape the JSON data directly using a dedicated Amazon scraper, and in the second section, I will show you how you can scrape raw HTML from our general web scraper. So in the first section, I will show you how you can scrape a particular product page from Amazon. So this in this API, you have to make a GET request to /Amazon/product, and you have to pass three parameters. First is the API key, second is the domain, and third one is the ASIN code. So we will test this API on Postman. Let's so here we are on Postman. We're going to make a GET request to this API. For this example, I'm using this ASIN code. So let's make a GET request. So we got the response and we have got the title, the product information, the brand URL, images, the number of people bought, the pricing, everything. So in this JSON response, you will get all the, little details present on that particular product page. So now we will test the search API, Amazon search API. So let's see how it works. So in this search API, you have to make a GET request to /Amazon/search, and you have to pass a query. And in that query, you can pass any string, any product category like mobile or computer, laptop, mouse, or anything. For now, I'm using mobile as a string. Let's see what we get when we make a GET request. So we got the response, and we got the type, the title of the product, the images, the pricing, then the information of second product, third product. So this is how you will get all the product information available on that particular search page. So from here we will move on to our general web scraper, from where you can extract raw HTML or the complete Amazon page rather than extracting JSON data. So here we are. In our general web scraper, you have to make a GET request to /scrape with four parameters. Three parameters. The one is the dynamic, second one is API key, and the third one is the URL. So dynamic, we are setting it as false to turn off JS rendering, then the API key and the target URL. For now, I'm using this product page as our target URL. Let's make a GET request to this API. So we got the response and we got the complete raw HTML. Now you can use your own parser technique to extract useful information from this page. Now you may be wondering how you can target a particular country while scraping Amazon. So you can do that too with our API using the country parameter. So you just have to pass country parameter, and along with that, its value will be the ISO code of that particular country. For this example, I'm using India, and I'm passing the ISO code as IN. Let's make a GET request to that. So here is the response, and we got the response, and the delivery is to India. Let's say for just testing purpose, I'm going to set the value of country as CA. Let's see how uh, CA means Canada. So let's make a get request to this API tool. So we got the response and the deliveries to Canada. So this is how you can scrape Amazon product and search pages using Scrapingdog web scraping APIs. You will get more than 99% success rate, and every request to these APIs will deduct just one credit. So it's super cheap. So if you have any further queries regarding any API, then you can email us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.